Well, good morning, Jetty Rockers. Welcome back to Jetty Rocks Fishing. It is now 6:45 in the morning. I got my regular clients, Mike and Ivan, coming out with me today. Hopefully we're gonna get into some sheep's head. We may do a couple other things. So wish us luck, and we're gonna get to it, y'all. Jetty Rockers, if you could go ahead and go over to jettyrocks.com. You can check out some of these cool hats that we have over there. We also have some tackle available, and we will have more available soon. And also, guys, if you want to book a charter with me, you can book a charter there, because I am now running charters. So all my information is on that website, so go check it out, y'all. And you can be in your own very own Jetty Rocks fishing video. I hope to see you guys soon out on the water with me. Let's get back to the video. All right, guys, well, we made it to the rocks. I got Mike and Ivan back out with me. You guys know them from previous videos. And hopefully we're gonna catch some sheep's head. We got a bunch of plans in the works today. Let's see what happens. That's a keeper.
You'll keep?
Oh, yeah, that's definitely. I think that's the first one right there, bro.
Oh, I just walked out.
All right.
Oh,
I do believe that's gonna, was that on shrimp?
Yep.
Yep. Yeah, they sometimes that's.
Hand me a shrimp out of there, buddy, if you can. Yeah.
I can't get it. There we go. There you go. See, come on, be 12 inches. He looks it. Oh, all day. All day, buddy. Good job. Good job. Yo, look at the school of Spanish mackerel I got right here. But they won't hit nothing. They won't hit anything I got. Look at that. That is crazy. That is so nuts. Look at this, guys. I mean, they're just everywhere.
I know. I've never seen anything like it.
And they won't eat.
Oh, I got rocked up. He rocked me up.
Uh-oh.
I can't believe that, man.
Wow.
Believe that, Mike?
He got you in a rock?
He got me in a rock out.
Dang. This is insane. All right, I think I might have figured out how to catch these Spanish. That's a keeper. Alrighty. Got a big old manatee right here. Come and say hi. I'm big and look at him. He's been hit by a couple propellers. Wow. Oh, y'all. Well, we decided to come offshore. Bite was a little slow at the jetties, but we got some storms in the background here. Got to keep an eye on those. But hopefully, we get a couple fish in the box before we got to leave. There's something here. Acting like a lane, kinda.
Yeah.
There it is. It's a lane. Might be a So you got him, Ivan?
Right.
Nice. Hopefully he's legal.
Small.
There we go. He'll work. That's definitely a legal one.
And hook popped out.
He's legal too.
Is this a mangrove?
No, it's a lane. Yep, he's good. I got one on this rod over here. Nice. All right, another one. That's acting like a lane too.
Yeah. Probably is, Michael.
I got something. Might be a lane. Oh, you got a grunt. Let's see what I got here. I think I got the same thing. Nope, I got a lane. A small lane, but it's a lane.
Should we keep him for bait, Mike?
If you want to, you can throw him in that bucket. Yep. Yep, all right. Open that box for me real quick. Another lane for y'all.
What's up, buddy?
Nice. All right, Mike's got a good fish.
Oh, is it?
You got him. He's acting kind of red, but
Yeah.
I
Good.
think it was caught up in his line.
think he could have a mango though.
Might be, Mike.
Might be, or a nice lane.
Kind of hard to tell. Definitely bigger than the other ones, though.
Yeah. He ain't quite fighting like a red. He was at first, but he ain't quite fighting like one right now.
True.
We'll see. What is that? Looks like a big porky.
That's right. They eat good.
Oh, they eat real good.
No, and no problem with a porgy.
Yeah. Lanes and porgies eat real good.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's what it was we caught last time that I was going to tell you was good with the porgies.
Oh, the porgy's real good. Open that up for me real quick. That's a nice porgy. All right. Got a good one.
Yeah, no.
I got something small. I got something small. I got a bait fish or something. Yeah, I got. You still got him over there, Mike?
Yeah.
Come on, be a lane or a porgy.
More like a porgy.
Pork fish.
What's that?
That's a pork fish.
Never seen that in my life.
Never seen one of these?
What, do those eat?
They actually are very good, but not allowed to keep them.
Oh, okay.
They're protected.
Okay. I have never seen one of those in all my life.
Yeah, but they're cool.
Beautiful, man.
It's a pretty fish, ain't it?
Yeah.
Good one, bud.
What in the world could this be?
Could be anything. He's screaming though. You're gonna have to stop him or he's gonna get you in that wreck.
This side over, Mike?
Huh?
You want to switch over to this side?
Come on, buddy. There you go. You got him turned. All right, we're gonna have to go, y'all. Yeah, I don't like the sound of that. I don't like the sound of that at all.
Probably a red one on Mike.
Yeah, probably. I don't know. He's acting funny, man. Still got him?
Wrapped up in his line too.
He's in that line?
Slack off then.
Yeah, slack. Yeah, slack off. Or did it just come off? It might. I don't. Dude, you might have something different, man.
There's a sunflower out here.
That's weird.
Oh, it cut off.
Oh no. There we go. Get him up, Ivan. Tighten that drag a little. Yeah. Yeah, they're gonna get you in those. You gotta keep that drag tight over here. Then they'll get you in that wreck. the big storm out there, but now we're in rain here. We'll see what happens. Go, Mike. That's a good one. Come on. Let's see what flavor we got. That'll work. That one will. Oh, yep, that'll work. Yep. We'll make something happen. I got Spanish right here, I think. Come on. Yep, nice Spanish. It's a good Spanish right there.
A good one, Mike.
Yeah, that's a good one. Got a commercial Spanish boat right here. Just doing this little jig right here. Lose him too? No, I lost him too. No, I still got him. He was running to me. There we go. There's another one. I got more gotcha plugs if you guys want to.
Ivan might want to try that.
Ivan, you want to get in on some of this?
I think that's what a jerkbait on though.
Put a jerkbait on?
Yeah, supposed to be a mackerel.
Nice one, buddy. Nice one. Hey, he got him though. He's going in the box.
Put your foot there, stepping on their foot.
No, I don't think so.
Now you can just throw him on the deck. Oh, you got him on a lip bait? Nice. Down back here. You have him back here. There you go, Ivan.
Thank you.
There he is. There he is. There we go. Running right to me. Running right to me.
Let you get out on that one, Mike.
Yep, now we got him figured out. Yeah, we'll just. You got him out there, bud?
Yep.
Awesome. I'm already on. I'm already on. Oh, he just came off. Oh, he just cut me off. Dang it. Cut me off that quick. Man, that stinks. Good job, Ivan. That's a good one, too.
Yeah. Real good.
Yeah, that's a nice one right there. Oh, that's a bonito. Those are awesome. That's one of those bonitos.
Is that Atlantic video?
Yep. Those are good eating fish right there.
Really, Mike?
Yeah, those are really good.
There
You
was a school of them that jumped up and tried getting it from me.
Yeah, you can sear those like tuna. Yeah, those are all right there, buddy. That's a good fish. Yeah, don't get them hooks in you.
It's in my pants.
Oh man, not good.
Right.
There he is.
Get out.
I'm gonna show this fish real quick. Yo, this right here is an Atlantic bonito. See the teeth on that rig?
Wow, Mike.
That's a good fish right there. And bleed him for you. Yeah, let him bleed out real good. Yeah, that's awesome fish. On fire over here. Get him, buddy. Is that a bonito or a mackerel? Bonito. Get him, buddy. Nice. Heck yes. That is crazy. Catching fish in the rain, y'all. Atlantic bonito. Those are good. Yep, fishing in the rain, and we're killing it. All right, got another Spanish. Another Spanish. Nice. Is that a diver or a surface one?
Diver.
Diver.
Shallow diver.
Shallow diver. Yeah, that's what I got here. All right, come on. Is that a mackerel or bonita? Oh, it's a mackerel. Nice mackerel. They don't like this thing.
Love this thing.
I bought that for trout.
Oh, it's tearing them up over here. Tearing them up.
We bought this for freshwater, didn't we? I think we bought this years ago for freshwater.
Did we?
Yeah.
Got another Spanish. That's a good one right there, buddy.
All right, buddy. Good job.
That's a good Spanish.
This is exactly what I wanted. I miss this. Come on.
Oh yeah. Blood on the deck. Come on. I got one over here. What you got? Spanish or a bonito?
Spanish.
Nice Spanish. All right. Pouring rain now. Not when you're catching fish almost every cast, no. Well, y'all, it ended up not bad. With all the adverse conditions we had and all the stuff going on, storms and sheep's head and bluefish just out of the area, we did pretty good. I've never seen Spanish like that. That was absolutely insane with the Spanish. And then we got the 2 Atlantic bonito. I've never seen them that close to the beach before, or the inlet. But hey, we got some. Ended up being a really good day. We put some good fish in the box, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one. Tight lines, y'all.